Dear students, I am Bharat Kashyap, lecturer biology at GSSS Majwar, district Mandi. I am going to teach you third chapter, human reproduction, and now our topic is human reproductive systems. Male reproductive system. It is located in pelvis region and it has following parts: a pair of testes, accessory ducts. These include retetestis, vasa efferentia, epididymis, and vas deferens. Accessory glands. These include paired seminal vesicles, a prostate gland, and a pair of bulbourethral glands. External genitalia is penis. Now, testes. These are a pair situated outside abdominal cavity in a pouch called scrotum. It helps in keeping temperature of testes 2 to 2.5 degree lower than body temperature, which is essential for spermatogenesis. Each testis is oval in shape, 4 to 5 centimeters long and 2 to 3 centimeters wide. Each testis has about 250 compartments called testicular lobules. Each lobule has 1 to 3 highly coiled seminiferous tubules. Seminiferous tubules produce sperms. They are lined by two types of cells. These are male germ cells or spermatogonia. They undergo meiosis to produce sperms, and other are Sertoli cells. These provide nutrition to germ cells. Interstitial cells or Leydig's cells. They lie in space outside the seminiferous tubules. They secrete testicular hormones called androgens. Most important is testosterone. Now, male accessory ducts. Retetestis. It is a network of capillaries. Vasa efferentia. These are 10 to 12 tubules leave the testis and opens into epididymis. Epididymis, it lies along the posterior surface of each testis. It temporarily store and mature the sperms. It leads to vasa deferens. Vasa deferens ascends to the abdomen and loops over urinary bladder. It receives a duct from seminal vesicles and open into urethra as ejaculatory duct. These ducts store and transport sperms from testis to outside through urethra. Urethra originates from urinary bladder and extends through penis, and its external opening is called urethral meatus. The enlarged end of penis is called glans penis, and it is covered by a loose fold of skin called foreskin. Accessory glands. These are following three types: a pair of seminal vesicles, a prostate gland, a pair of bulbourethral glands. These secrete the seminal plasma, which contain fructose, calcium, and certain enzymes. Seminal plasma, along with sperms, is called semen. Female reproductive system. It is located in pelvic region. It consists of a pair of ovaries, a pair of oviducts, an uterus, cervix, vagina, and external genitalia. A pair of mammary glands integrated structurally and functionally to support the processes of ovulation, pregnancy, birth, and childcare. Ovaries. Ovaries are primary female sex organs. They produce female gametes, ovum, and several ovarian hormones. Ovaries are located in lower abdomen. Each ovary is 2 to 4 centimeters long. It is connected to pelvic wall and uterus by ligaments. Each ovary is covered by thin epithelium and enclosed ovarian stroma. Ovarian stroma has two regions, a peripheral cortex and an inner medulla. Female accessory ducts. First one is oviduct. It is also called fallopian tube. Each fallopian tube is 10 to 12 centimeter long. It has three parts. Infundibulum. It is funnel shaped. Its edges have finger-like projections called fimbriae. They help to collect ovum from the ovary. Ampulla. It is wider part. Isthmus. It is the last part. It has a narrow lumen. It joins oviduct with uterus. Second part is uterus or womb. It is single, inverted pear-shaped. It is attached to pelvic wall with ligaments. Its wall has three layers: perimetrium, outer thin layer; myometrium, middle thick layer made of smooth muscles; endometrium, inner glandular layer. It undergoes cyclic changes. Third part is vagina. Uterus opens to it through cervix. It has a narrow cervical canal. Cervical canal along with vagina form the birth canal. Then female external genitalia. Mons pubis. It is a cushion of fatty tissue covered by skin and pubic hair. Labia majora. These are fleshy folds of tissue that surround the vaginal opening. Labia minora. These are paired folds of tissue under labia majora. Hymen. Opening of vagina is covered by this membrane. Clitoris. A tiny finger-like structure present at upper junction of labia minora. Mammary glands. A paired structures, also called breasts. They contain glandular tissue and fat. Glandular tissue is divided into 15 to 20 mammary lobes. Mammary lobes have cluster of alveoli cells. Alveoli cells secrete and store milk in their lumen and opens into mammary tubules. These tubules of each lobe join to form mammary duct. Mammary ducts further join to form a wider mammary ampulla, which are connected to lactiferous ducts. With this, we come to end of the chapter. Thanks for watching.